The Chandogya Upanishad, written by Unknown, translated by Max Mueller, narrated by Jagannatha Dasa in the Vedic Preservation Society.
The Upanishads are commonly referred to as the Vedanta. The Vedanta is commonly referred to as the final parts of the Vedas. Alternatively, many saints, seers, yogis, mystics, and even scholars see the Upanishads as the elemental cream of Vedic knowledge. The eternal concepts of brahman, the ultimate reality, and atman, the soul or self, are central ideals in all of the Upanishads. Along with the Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishads are seen as the foundation of several later schools of the Vedanta. More than 200 Upanishads are known, and of these, the first dozen or so are considered to be the oldest and most important. With the translation of the Upanishads in the early 19th century into English, they have also started to attract the attention of scholars, yogis, disciples, and devotees the world over. Modern Indologists have discussed the similarities between the original fundamental concepts presented in the Upanishads and other major Western philosophical systems. With that in mind, the original authors are still to this day unknown.
Let a man meditate on the syllable Om, called the Udgita. For the Udgita, a portion of the Samaveda, is sung beginning with Om. The full account, however, of Om is this: the essence of all beings is the earth. The essence of the earth is water. The essence of water, the plants. The essence of plants, man. The essence of man, speech. The essence of speech, the Rig Veda. The essence of the Rig Veda, the Samaveda. The essence of the Samaveda, the Udgita, which is Om. The Udgita Om is the best of all essences, the highest, deserving the highest place, the eighth. What then is the Rik? What is Saman? What is the Udgita? This is the question. The Rik indeed is speech. Saman is breath. The Udgita is the syllable Om. Now speech and breath, or Rik and Saman, form one couple, and that couple is joined together in the syllable Om. When two people come together, they fulfill each other's desire. Thus, he who, knowing this, meditates on the syllable Om, the Udgita, becomes indeed a fulfiller of desires. That syllable is a syllable of permission. For whenever we permit anything, we say Om, yes. Now permission is gratification. He who, knowing this, meditates on the syllable Om, the Udgita, becomes indeed a gratifier of desires. By that syllable does the threefold knowledge, the sacrifice, more particularly the Soma sacrifice, as founded on the three Vedas, proceed. When the Advaryu priest gives an order, he says Om. When the Hotri priest recites, he says Om. When the Udgatri priest sings, he says Om, all for the glory of that syllable. The threefold knowledge, the sacrifice, proceeds by the greatness of that syllable, the vital breaths, and by its essence, the oblations. Now therefore it would seem to follow that both he who knows this, the true meaning of the syllable Om, and he who does not, perform the same sacrifice. But this is not so, for knowledge and ignorance are different.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?